Today we're taking a deep dive into the Care4Hair Miami website, one of the most talked about clinics in the hair restoration industry. Right away, the homepage is clean, professionally designed, and emphasizes their most popular treatments, including FU transplants, PRP therapy, and eyebrow restoration. The menu is easy to navigate, with sections clearly labeled for procedures, pricing, before and after galleries, and consultations. The Our Services section offers a thorough breakdown of what they provide. You will find options for hairline lowering, beard transplants, scar revision, and treatments for both men and women. It's impressive how they also offer specialized procedures, like eyebrow transplants, which aren't as common in other clinics. Each service page includes detailed information, frequently asked questions, and recovery timelines. One thing I really appreciated is the gallery of real patient results. They've posted clear before and after images, many of which include dates and procedural notes. It gives a strong sense of transparency and builds trust. However, not all procedures have the same level of documentation, so it's a bit hit or miss depending on what you're looking for. When I clicked into the pricing section, I noticed that while it offers a good general breakdown, many of the actual costs require you to schedule a consultation. This is understandable given the customization involved in these procedures, but I would have appreciated a bit more upfront clarity, especially for users doing early-stage research. The team page highlights a few key staff members, including Dr. Golio, who seems to be the lead specialist. His credentials are listed, and he has a decent track record in reconstructive and aesthetic surgery. However, there could be more testimonials or independent reviews to cross-reference outcomes, particularly for those hesitant to take marketing content at face value. Booking a consultation is straightforward. They offer virtual consultations, which is convenient, especially for people outside Florida. The contact form is standard, but they do respond relatively fast, within one business day in my case. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Something I want to be clear about. While the services seem reputable, and their patient results look promising, you'll want to be cautious with expectations. Hair restoration is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and success depends on your hair loss stage, health conditions, and consistency in follow-ups. I also noticed the site does push a bit of marketing language. Phrases like permanent results and painless procedure may not reflect every client's reality. It's important to go in with realistic expectations and have a one-on-one with the doctor to assess if the procedure is right for you. Mobile navigation is solid. Pages load quickly and are optimized for smaller screens. I didn't encounter any glitches, and everything I needed was just a couple of taps away. The site also includes blog articles, though they're a bit generic. Topics like what causes hair loss and FUE versus FUT are covered, but don't dive as deep as someone doing real medical research might want. In conclusion, Care4Hair Miami presents itself as a professional, experienced clinic with a range of hair restoration options. It's a strong contender if you're exploring solutions to alopecia or thinning hair. But as with any medical treatment, don't rely solely on promotional content. Dig deeper, get second opinions, and make sure you're fully informed. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button for more honest breakdowns like this one.